The market is showing some signs of life again, and it's October in crypto, a historically bullish month when altcoins are primed for pumps. Q4 is overall the best part of the year for crypto as well, making it the perfect time for some fresh altcoins picks from our Klondike team. What coins are we holding? What makes these gems worth your attention? We'll break down the latest news, share our thoughts, and explain why these picks are on our radar. I'm Jack, let's get into it. Let's start with a Wormhole token which just woke up, having some moves. Wormhole is an interoperability platform that stands out in the blockchain space with its W token. With a remarkable market cap nearing 1 billion, its protocol enables secure transfer of data or tokens across top blockchains, including Ethereum, Solana, Sui, Injective, and many more. Recent developments and integrations like the launch of governance staking or successful expansion to over 30 blockchains in integration with Mantle showcase that they certainly managed to keep the tempo with emerging market needs. Recently, also great news, Wormhole partnered with Google Cloud, adding it to the Guardian network, a decentralized group of validators securing Wormhole's cross-chain platform. This boosts security, uptime, and therefore reliability across 30 blockchains, strengthening infrastructure and positively impacting the token's market performance. And after Korea's largest crypto exchange, Upbit, announced the token's recent listing, it went seriously up 20 to 40%. So with its solid market position and continuous innovation, Wormhole could be one of the leaders of blockchain interoperability, offering users unprecedented flexibility and control over their assets. Well, about Hamster, it's quite obvious. Like we said in the previous video, our stance hasn't changed, and for good reason. Let's break it down shortly this time. So the market maker for Hamster is from Godbit Hedge Funds, a team known for navigating volatile cryptos and managing price development for other big projects like Bonk, Baby Doge, and Beer. These guys are pros at squeezing out weak hands, stabilizing and then pushing a token to new highs. This market maker has a vested interest in ensuring the price doesn't tank, especially since Hamster is listed on major exchanges like Binance. With the project's hype, they just can't afford to let it collapse below a certain threshold, which we have calculated to be around 500 million market cap. That's not just our guess. Binance imposes minimum cap requirements for projects they list, so Hamster has built-in protection from dipping too low. Another fact, one other market maker says the market cap will be 4 to 5 billion and laughs at those who are planning to sell at a market cap below 1 billion. Remember, the creators themselves didn't sell their tokens on the listing day. They're holding, which is a huge vote of confidence in their own project. Plus, the majority of holders right now are either airdrop recipients or early investors who got allocations from the CEO. Weaker hands are being shaken out. Over 94% of tokens are stored in 5 wallets. The Hamster Combat team also recently updated their roadmap, showing they're committed to keeping the community engaged and demand strong. We're holding because all signs point to Hamster climbing higher once things stabilize. Once weaker hands sell and early holders are out, we expect the price to rise steadily, potentially doubling or tripling the market cap to $2 to $3 billion. Our safe bet is to sell at 0.009 or 0.01 USD. Now that we covered Hamster, let's talk about the next altcoins that could deliver similar results. Do you remember APT token? It has a numerous amounts of key projects within Aptos ecosystem, like Ares Markets, Liquid Swap, and Merkle Trade. But what about this token right now? One recent highlight driving attention to APT is its collaboration with traditional financial institutions. For instance, Franklin Templeton launched a tokenized US government's money market fund on the Aptos blockchain. This partnership could boost Aptos' utility and demand. In fact, Aptos surpassed 1K transactions per second this October. The demand is strong for this one. Additionally, Aptos jumped over 11% of price after announcing its acquisition of the Japanese blockchain developer Hashpalette, a key move to expand its presence in Asia. Overall, solid news, partnerships, developments. What more could you ask for in a token in this market? I'm sold. Moving on, the next token is SingularityNet AGIX. This is a relatively small project, not even in the top 100 by market cap by now, which makes it even more interesting for investment. SingularityNet is the first ever blockchain-powered platform that allows anybody to easily create, share and monetize AI services thanks to its AI marketplace. All the purchases are made with the native utility token. But that's not most important news. SingularityNet has revealed plans to merge its AGIX token with FET's and Ocean protocol Ocean into the new Artificial Superintelligence token. This merger is set to create a unified decentralized AI network, with the first conversion process started in June 2024. Currently the transition is set to be announced, but these news are already quite big. This move is part of SingularityNet's long-term vision of advanced decentralized AI. They have also secured influential collaborations with industry pioneers, including Fetch AI as mentioned earlier. Furthermore, partnerships with Hanson Robotics and Cisco poised to be cherries on top of that. This isn't just another token, it's a door for the convergence of two of the most hyped things right now: crypto and AI. Chainlink is a decentralized Oracle network that connects smart contracts with real-world data, essential for blockchain's ecosystem. In 2024, Chainlink partnered with Fireblocks. Fireblocks provides secure infrastructure for managing and transferring digital assets to facilitate regulated stablecoin issuance and join forces with Sony for cross-chain interoperability. You might think, why bet on an industry giant? Well, Chainlink actively continues to extend their influence. They're working with Swift, Coinbase, and over a dozen leading financial institutions like JP Morgan and Templeton. With the latter two, they tied the real-world assets tokenization using Chainlink's CCIP. It's a big opportunity for the project to reach new highs. And that's not all. This cross-chain interoperability protocol, CCIP, has become a cornerstone, allowing seamless communication across major blockchains like Ethereum, BNB, and Base. They are also leading the way in development activity and surpassing Ethereum on GitHub with over 600 development events. While I can't personally check the importance of each update, it's still quite impressive, big if true. With institutional adoption rising like Grayscale's Chainlink Trust, it remains a top infrastructure solution in the Web3 space. Link is set to pump, not only due to its key technologies, which drive demand and strengthen the coin's economy, especially during bullish phases, but also because of the massive falling wedge pattern on the Link's 1-week chart. And now Cat, inspired by the iconic Simon's Cat cartoon, is on track to become the next cat meme coin to hit 1 billion market cap. With massive popularity in both Web 2 and Web 3, the token has strong community support, including a growing Telegram group and hype on Twitter. Major projects like Floki and Token are backing it, which adds credibility. However, it's not yet listed on any Tier 1 exchanges, temporary situation for sure. The launch of Cat, by the way, has reignited interest in the BNB chain, and once it's listed on Tier 1 exchanges, the surge will be massive. With a large token circulation and no significant sell pressure in sight, the tokenomics are favorable for a long-term growth. The token features a well-balanced distribution, with 20% airdropped and 10% already burned. That was it. Like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Subscribe to our Telegram for more updates on altcoins. All links are in the description below. Got questions? Comment below and I'll try to answer. See you in the next one.